Sanibona bafethu uvane lo 2 Panama 1 Bafana Bafana. Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives yale game ade siyibuka namhlanje. Yabo. So ngizoqala nje kule game. Ngizoqala bafethu ngizokhuluma le game le. Ngizothini? Ngi-happy and futhi nakhona ke angikho happy ngendlela edlale ngakhona namhlanje. Yabo ngixolise bafethu angishayi ividiyo using ifoni yabo. Ngiyanazi ke senijwayele ukuthi ngishaye ividiyo ngiphethe ifoni kanje. Namhlanje ngidecide ukuthi ke awuthi ngiyifundise nje ukuthi ngike ngihlale phansi ngike ngishaya amavidiyo. Yabo angazi noma mhlawumbe ngiyazwakala yini. Am I audible enough? Uma ungizwa sacela ungitshele ema-comments ukuthi ingabe nifuna mhlawumbe amavidiyo ke siwashaye ngale ndlela le noma siqhubeke siwashaye sisebenzise ifoni. Yabo ngangitshela ke lapha kuma-comments. Kodwa ke ngizokhuluma ngendlela edlale ngakhona namhlanje. Yabo indlela esiyi-approach ngakhona le game le mina ngokubona kwami. Yabo bekinawo ama-questions. Yabo bekinawo ama-questions regarding ukuthatha bani na uHlongwane umdlalise as i-winger. But ke ngizoqala nje ngikhulume nge-defense. I-defense ibisolid kakhulu bafethu. The partnership between Imo Okon with uMbekezeli Mbokazi, I really like i-defensive partnership esinayo emuva. Leya defensive partnership iyona defensive partnership engimele sibe nayo going to i-World Cup. I feel like uHugo Broos usebonile vele ukuthi ibaphi abadlali engimele abadlalise, yabo, as ama-center backs. Njoba nje ungezana elimele, I feel like ungezana bayawuthatha manje umzila wakhe. Yabo sebewuthathile umzila wangezana. Ungezana kumele enze sure ukuthi uyayilungisela ngempela, akwazi ukuthi mhlambe ke athole naye ithuba lokuthi ayo represent Bafana Bafana mase siya le ku World Cup, because bakhona uSibisi. Bathi ke uSibisi kule ma games awu2 esiwadlalile alitholanga ithuba lokuthi ke athola ama minutes. Yebo, so ngizokhuluma nje bafethu i-back four yethu bisimple. Ime Okon ukuthi Mbekezeli Mbokazi, mase kuba Modiba ukuthi uMdawu, mase size siswini. Esiswini siqale ngoba nina siqale ukuthi uMfukeng as number 10, aqalanga ebenchini this time, but ke uqalile as number 10. Mase kwaqala bani uJayden Adams with uTebogo Mokoena. Abajida bebesolid kakhulu esiswini. I really liked indlela adlala ngakhona uTebogo Mokoena with uJayden Adams. Bebe complementana indlela ade bedlala ngakhona with the number 10 okubani okumfukeng uMjida. He was very good kuleya first half. Angazi ukuthi aleni second half ucoach why decide ukuthi ke amshintshe early uMjida, angiunderstandanga about the introduction of Uzwane. Uzwane yes ungenile washaya i-assist, but ke Uzwane wasn't impactful enough more than uMfukeng. If you saw uMfukeng first half, uMfukeng bafethu create ama-chances amaningi for iBafana Bafana. Okuyikona ukuthi ke i-striker esinaso phambili. I-striker esinaso phambili bafethu ngizokhuluma ngaye. Abajida bawasebenzisanga amathuba abawanikeziwe. Yabo angeke ngazi noma mhlawumbe bedlalisa i-4-4-2 because bekhona bani na, bekukhona uHlongwane. uHlongwane iyi-striker. Yabo bekhona uHlongwane mase kuba khona bani uFoster. Bedlalisa two of those players. Asikho isidingo sokuthi udlalise abadlali abawu2. Why are you playing two strikers? Okuwes uyamdlalisa ke uHlongwane. Yabo uHlongwane kuzobe ngawuthi namhlanje akadlali kahle uHlongwane. Yabo you will see a lot of comments today saying uHlongwane is not the type of player you can play with Bafana Bafana. Again umdlalo ongamdlalisa Bafana Bafana. Many people will say that because uHlongwane kuzobe ngazuthi akasiyona iwinger. Yabo he doesn't play as a winger. There are many players you see in this Bafana Bafana side abangadlali ema-position abajwayele ukwadlala kuma-team abawadlalelayo. Yabo exhibit A, uTalente Mbatha. Talente Mbatha, each and every time he gets introduced into this Bafana Bafana squad, he don't get to be introduced as number 8. He doesn't play as number 8. Yabo kulama games awu2 njalo mekhishwa uTebogo Mokoena ku-introduce uTalente Mbatha, mekhishwa uJayden Adams ku-introduce uSithole. There is something engayi-understand going to i-World Cup, because kumele abadlali ubakhiphe according to their position. Umdlali umu-introduce according to i-position ayidlalayo. Ngeke ukwazi ukuhlalisa uMaseko ukuthi usunapholisa ebhenchini uzodlalisa striker as a winger. Kuzoclasha lapho. Kuyaclasha nje ngempela. Yabo kuyaclasha ngempela. Namhlanje kukhombisile ukuthi iBafana Bafana izoba nenkinga going to i-World Cup, because we are playing against a side ranked number 33. I'm sure South Korea is ranked above Panama. Obviously, ranked above Panama. Masukuba Denmark. Obviously, Denmark is ranked above Panama. Masukuba Mexico. Obviously, Mexico is ranked above Panama. Yabo. Lo ma team lawo, iwona ke ma team lawo esiyobhekana nawo. kuma-group stages. Iwona ama-team esiyobhekana. Yabo lento ade siyibona against iPanama. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Asikakaboni lutho. Yabo mase soqhubeka nale mindset le. Asikakaboni lutho. Mina ngokwami we played very very good. We played very very good, but again when we are going forward, I feel like siyaleka. Why are we not taking Ikram Reyners? Why are we not taking Ikram Reyners? That is the only thing engikhala ngayo, and ngisazokhala ngayo. Abantu abaningi I don't think they understand, and a lot of people isingisiyabaleka baningi abantu abakhala ngalento, but it seems like ucoach akayiboni or ucoach uyizibaba bomu. Angazi ngempela, yabo ngeke ngazi ngempela. Mhlawumbe omunye angangitshela okunye, but mina ngisakhala ngo-Ikram Reyners. A beautiful goal from uMbokazi. A beautiful goal from uMbekezeli Mbokazi. Ama-attackers akafuna ukukhahlela ngaphandle. Ama-attackers awekho awafuna ukukhahlela ngaphandle. Siyamshintsha ubani Foster sizofaka uMahopa. uMahopa yes kube nawo ama-touches, but ke he wasn't impactful. Ngimbonile abafethu ngene uThapelo Maseko naye namhlanje, but uMjida akabanga impactful. Ngimbonile Osina Police yabo lapho nalapho. Yabo ama-sub besiwashayile namhlanje. I feel like ama-sub besesiwashaya just because besesine-pressure, but ama-sub abengekho that impactful. Yabo so besingekho isidingo sokuthi sishintshe kakhulu. Mina ngokubona kwami besingekho isidingo sokuthi sishintshe nje. Ronaldo Liena. You see that goalkeeper, guys? He's a very, very good goalkeeper. He's a very, very good goalkeeper. But for me, I don't think Umjida is ready to go to a World Cup. I know he won't play the World Cup, but I don't think he is ready. He was given a very, very good opportunity to show himself and prove himself in front of the fans, in front of the whole nation, in front of the whole technical team of Bafana Bafana. But today, he wasn't that impactful. Umjida bafethu bethola bekushawa set piece. Angazi bekwenze njani bafethu nge-defense, bengafuni mhlawumbe ukudefenda noma bekunjani. Angazi ngempela lokhu bekunjani namhlanje. Amabhola ahamba phansi mfethu. Sipho Chain, I'm not vouching for Sipho Chain, but uSipho Chain ubengakwazi ukulivimba lela bhola. Iqiniso nje lilihle limsulwa, uSipho Chain ubengakwazi ukulivimba lela bhola. But ke ningangitshela nina ngokwenu, do you think sinayo i-shout? Do you think sinayo i-chance yokuthi si-qualify for World Cup uma sisadlala kanje? Ngingazi, but ke ngingezwa ngani bafethu. Nina nibukile igame, ningangitshela ngovo lwenu. Mina ngokwami sidlale kahle, but ke phambili sisaleka. Sidlale kahle, but ke le game siyithathe as isifundo sokuthi sidlale nayo iPanama ibidlala kahle kunathi, but usazoba khona ama-team azoba better than this. This is nothing. Panama is nothing. Thina sazobhekana with the best of the best. Sazobhekana nama-team anzima ngempela. Yabo ayikho lento ade sidlala nePanama. Ayikho. Isikhombisa ulutha abo asiyilutho. I-strong kunathi, yabo idlala kangcono kunathi. But iPanama bingadlali ibhola, yabo ungazubabazi kakhulu, but bebe better than us. That showed ukuthi Bafana Bafana usamele ilungise kuphi nakuphi. Defensively, I feel like defensively we are very very good. There are some decisions there's something I spoke about coming to this game. Lento le yama long ball. If you are using ama-wingers ahamba kakhulu phezulu, leya team isebenzisa 5 at the back. If we sebenzisa 5 at the back, there are 2 center backs amade. Enye gada ka right, enye gada ka left. Iyazi ukuthi Bafana Bafana izosebenzisa ama-long ball ahamba phezulu. Lama long ball mehamba phezulu bayashifta baye wide, mase beba bade bazo shield ibhola, shaw ibhola libuyele kuBafana Bafana. Simple. Namhlanje siyenzile lento le. I spoke about this. Uthi Bafana Bafana mizothembela kuleyo nto ngeke siyishaye le team le. Kumele sithole abadlali abama-wingers abazokwazi ba-drift inside rather than going wide, because they are forcing us to go wide. Let's not allow them to force us to go wide, rather than drift inside and create more chances as swing. Yabo, as create some chances as swing, because leya team leyana iyakwazi ukudlala ibhola. Yabo, they are possession based team. Njengoba i-possession based team, we need more players abazokwazi bafaka ama-numbers eswing, bakwazi bayisize Bafana Bafana imake kahle eswing. Yabo, manje ke thina sithanda ukudlala ama-wide. balls. Ama-white balls ngasiza uma sizodlala kwi-World Cup. Sodlala nama-team tactically very aware. They know ukuthi iBafana Bafana idlala kanjani. They studied indlela i-Orlando Pirates edlala ngakhona. They studied indlela i-Mamelodi Sundowns edlala ngakhona, because they know ukuthi Hugo Broos takes abadlali kwi-Sundowns, takes abadlali kwi-Orlando Pirates, abanye nabanye ke yabo. But ke most players they play from both of these teams, so they knew vele ukuthi ke Orlando Pirates ne-Sundowns badlala kanjani yabo. So ngokwami mina I'm not happy with the decisions ebesiwathatha kwi-game, with the chances. You saw the chances yabo, but ke sidlale kahle. Mangitshela wona kuma-comments bafethu ngokwakho, how do you feel regarding this game? Do you think sizoba ngcono, or do you think kumele kulandwe abanye badlali? Bayapolosh. That's the story for another day bafethu. Uvane lo ngiyabonga kakhulu for i-support. Cane ngitshele nje injani le format le, ngabe siyaqhubeka inayo angazi,